Hello everyone, in this video I will review Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a comprehensive field service management software designed to streamline operations for small to medium-sized home service businesses. It offers a range of features including real-time scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and payment processing, all accessible via a user-friendly mobile app. The platform supports industries such as HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and cleaning services, providing tools to manage customers' relationships, track job progress, and handle billing efficiently. Users appreciate Housecall Pro's intuitive interface, which simplifies complex tasks like job scheduling and customer communication. The software's integration capabilities with QuickBooks and other applications enhance its utility, allowing businesses to maintain seamless workflows. Additionally, the inclusion of AI-powered tools such as automated marketing content creation and voice assistance for booking and scheduling helps businesses save time and improve efficiency. According to a survey by Housecall Pro, 40% of their users employ AI, with younger workers particularly active, gaining an average of 4 hours per week in saved time. Despite its strength, some users have reported limitations in certain areas. Issues such as calendar synchronizations problems and invoice formatting limitations have been noted. Furthermore, while the software offers a comprehensive suite of tools, the pricing may be considered high for small teams, especially when comparing to other field service management solutions. Overall, Housecall Pro is a robust platform that can significantly enhance the efficiency and organization of home service businesses. Its wide range of features, combined with mobile accessibility and AI integrations, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve customer service. However, potential users should consider the cost and evaluate whether the features align with their specific business needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.